All right, welcome back. Today we're gonna program a new key. So let's turn the ignition on, radio off. All right, now diagnostics. We're gonna pick Toyota. Okay. Right, this is the key that works. This is the old key. I'm gonna pick 16 pin. Highlander. Others. This is the date. This is a 2009, so 2008 to 2010. Oh, wrong one. There, I got a smart key. I do have a smart key. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's service function. The reason why I'm doing a new key is I had one done by locksmith last year, and the key was crap. So he had to make me another one, but he did it with a fake Toyota smart key, and it does work. Everything works. The back door opens and everything, but it drains the battery real quick. I guess it's not smart enough. So Immobilizer key programming. So now I have a lot of keys programmed to this, but only two are working. One original, this one, and the other one. And I want to add another original one. That way I could just keep away the other one. If I press key code erasure, I contacted the manufacturer here. Basically not going to be able to do anything because I'm going to need like a special passcode, they said, to be able to delete all the keys that I don't have. So for now, I'm just going to add one. We're going to go with key code registration classic. I guess you could go with both. It doesn't really matter. Here we can read that. Welcome to key code registration wizard, the easy way to register a key code to the issue. And time limit, check the following conditions. The power engine switch is on. Turn off any cell phone near the driver's seat. Well, I'm recording this with a cell phone, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Communicating. Information. A number of available rooms for new codes, 3. A number of registered codes, 4. See, this is what I told you. So the key that he made me, he never, he didn't go back and erase everything. So I usually have 2. When I bought this, I only got 1. So that means there's a lost key that is still programmed to this. Can't erase it unless I pay another locksmith. So I'm not going to worry about that for now. Check the current status of the key and press OK. Alright, says here, touch the IG switch with the register key. And it went beep. Step classic. Touch the IG switch with a key to be registered. Okay, this is the other key. You got it. Touch the IG switch with a key to be registered. Alright, so I have to leave it on. Set the key. Ensure those steps are complete. If you want to register another key code, touch the IG switch with a key to be registered. No, we're done. Type remaining. Then press search to register the key codes you have checked. Alright, so I guess we're done. We're gonna exit out. Cancel. I like to go all the way back, because if I found that if you press this, it just goes back to home, but it's not really coming out. So see, now would you like to end? Yes. All right, turn everything off. I only have the new key here. It unlocked, locked. Press the brake, and the new key works. All right, let me try out the other one. This is the one that I already had. They both work, so not bad for something that costs like $100 and some, 130, something like that. I think I've seen them all the way up to like 189. But important thing is to buy a virginized, I think that's how you say it, erased smart key. So that's the important thing. So now I have 2 original keys and 1 spare. The good thing is that the key that I already had cut with the other one fits here, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, so this is the key that I just programmed. This is the old key. You see here, this key is not cut. This is the one that locksmith made for me. Like I said, it even works without the battery and everything, but something inside it just drains the battery. So now, key that's already cut. So those replacement keys, the good thing is that this key is the same. So if you already have it cut, and now I have 2 ready to go keys and a spare. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.